pulse of a family, the pulse of a community, the true pulse of Detroit. Health and hope lies just within your reach. A window into possibility, into resilience, into tomorrow. Because no city can be world-class without world-class healthcare. Destination Grand is a marvel of engineering designed to heal. But more than that, it is a promise to Detroit and every patient, family, and community we serve. From the most routine to the most advanced, this is where the best possible outcomes are fought for, with everything we have. Through these windows, our mission is to give time back, more time with loved ones, more connection, to restore, to heal, to nurture. Life doesn't move in straight lines. It bends, and it can break. But Destination Grand will be a place where extraordinary people do extraordinary things. Our researchers, our caregivers, our patients, our donors, and now, all of us, through philanthropy, writing the next great chapter together. This is our pulse. This is the view through the window of tomorrow. This is Destination Grand.